I'm Cheryl and the owner of Creative Wreaths and Flowers. On Facebook, we're known as Creative Wreaths, DIY and more. On YouTube, we're known as Creative Wreaths and Flowers. And we have other names in other spots. I also have a website, Owls Tech and CreativeDIY.com, and that is where I run most of my business from. I'm here today to let you know what services I offer besides just being creative. I offer services in postings on Facebook. I can post your items from your stores to Facebook. I also do YouTube where I edit the videos. I can add things in. I can speed parts up, speed parts down, put in music, and I also upload them to your YouTube and optimize them so you get the best reach for your videos. I can post on Pinterest and on Instagram. However, it's best if you tell me or send me the post you want put up, and you must have tailwind so that I can schedule them. So that is what, those are and I do moderating for lives. I give you a 2-hour block when I moderate, and I welcome all your guests, answer their questions, or get your attention, or make a note when there are questions that I'm not sure of. So I do that in 2-hour blocks. Then I also have on Facebook a group that we have, a monthly group called Owls Tech Talk. In that group, what it's set up for is to help those beginning their social medias to get their pages set up so that they can function and use them for their businesses. That group is $14.99 a month. And there is a link you need to click to go into PayPal. You prepay before you join the group. And then once I see you join the group, you ask to join the group, and then I will allow you in it. We do have Zoom calls every Friday in the afternoons. And I do work one-on-one with the girls in my group. I can Zoom call you, they message me, I answer questions, I send screenshots, whatever's necessary to get you on your way. That price may be going up January 1. Right now it's $14.99, but January 1 it may go up to $20 a month. And like I said, that's recurring through PayPal. Also, here in we used to call it the bubble, now it's the nest, because all my girls are owlettes. I have cut back on the creating of the wreaths that I do mostly because Mike decided we're going to move after the first of the year, so he packed everything up. So instead, I've picked up trying to paint door hangers. I'm not comfortable enough yet to do them on a live, but I will be soon. And I have a Cricut machine where I'm going to start trying cutting vinyl and making things with it. So we are expanding on the outer side. But most of the time, I have my tech hat on, and I'm working for others to help them to have the best businesses they can have. I can't give you an exact price on the services that I do because I need to consult with you and see what it is that you want and need so that I know how to help you best. Once we do a consult, I'll write up a proposal and then send you a pricing of what I do. But those are the services that we offer, mostly the posting on your Facebook. It depends on how many times you post a day and what kind of post you want. I do go out to your store and grab your product and what you've written up on your product and move it over to Facebook. I have the new scheduler, so that does crunch the reach a little bit, but it still gets your products out there to be shown. Right now I have accounts from posting 3 times a day to 6 times a day. So like I said, everybody's different, and that's why we need to do the one-on-one consult. And I do like to do those by Zoom calls so we can see each other and talk. So if you would like to get in touch with me on that, you can send me a message through Creative Wreaths, DIY and More. You can send me a message through there, or you can email me at creativewreathsandflowers@gmail.com. That's my Gmail, my email. Also soon, I will be putting my opt-in for my emails. So you can get on an email list and I can start sending out newsletters, new items we're offering, and things of this sort. And we can keep in touch. And I will probably start using the emails to let you know when I will be live on camera. Right now, I'm working towards getting my YouTube viewing up, so I am premiering a lot of different videos that I do have in file. So if you could go over and take a peek at those, I would truly appreciate it. I really haven't gone live a lot since last November, so I'm trying to get back into the habit of doing that. And I'm going to look at the screen so you'll see the side of my face, but if anybody has any questions, just let me know. When I do my editing, I use a program called Filmora, and I can do quite a bit in there to make your videos, cut out the bad parts. And the last video, the one I'm premiering this afternoon, is going to be a candy cane, Dollar Tree candy cane wreath. And there is a large portion in the middle where you just sit and watch me do the same thing over and over and over. So I have sped that up. And when I speed up part of it, I do add music to it, so you're not just sitting there with it quiet. If you'd like to go check that out, that'll show you a little bit of what I'm doing as far as how I'm editing videos. I can add logos, I can add music, I can add end screens, and I optimize them through to the fullest. It's best if you have TubeBuddy, but we can discuss that when I talk with you, because there are some things that I'd like to let you know about. But all you have to do is get in contact with me. I'm pretty much at the computer most of the time. I do get out a little bit more than I was. So I'm not always quite there, but I always carry my phone. So I usually get right back in touch with you to let you know when I'm available. Because right now I have several lives I moderate almost every day. I moderate 1 to 2 lives. So you need to get with me if you want to moderating and get a schedule in, and I can see if I have time for that. I also help people get private groups started. That's part of the beginning social media process to me. But you know, if you don't know how to run social media, it can be very intimidating. So I try to take that intimidation away and show you from a beginning standpoint. But I try to go through there and show you exactly step by step. I have a few videos in my training. A lot of my training is by PDF files, and it's very step by step what you need to do to get to the point you need to be at. And then if you still have any questions, you can contact me. We can get together. Okay. Just contact me, and then I can let you know how I can help you and what the pricing will be. I think I'm very reasonable. I am for the beginner. I realize people beginning don't have the big bucks that other people have. So, you know, give me a call, give me a shout. We can talk about it, and then whatever you decide is the way we'll go. And if you do have questions and you're on the replay, please feel free to contact me over on my page, Creative Wreaths, DIY and More, or send me an email at creativewreathsandflowers@gmail.com, and I will type them in here after this live is over, so you have those. Don't forget, we have our website, owlstech and creativediy.com. I will be putting this information on the services page. Right now it just says services, and telling you how to get a hold of me there. I will go ahead and let you go for this afternoon. Hopefully we'll be back live very soon, showing you how I can almost paint a door hanger, because it's not as easy as you would think for me. So it's kind of fun. But anyway, I'll let you guys go for today. I will be on lives tonight. I have one at, well, I'm Central Time, so I have one at 4:30 my time and 8:30 my time. So you can catch me there. They usually call me Owl. Some of them will call me Cheryl, but a lot of times they call me Owl. And so that's where I will be this evening. And so hop on and join us. The first one will be Laura Jean's Wreath Room at, it's 5:30 Eastern. We will be there. And then I will be over on Susies Wreaths and Decor, and we will be live at 8:30 Eastern time there. So pop in and see me. Come tell me hi. These are two great designers. Come and watch. Love you all. Thank you for joining, and we will talk with you later. Have a great afternoon. Bye.